In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password or passcode for Snapchat My Eyes Only on Android. So first, let's go to Snapchat, and then let's swipe up, and then let's tap on My Eyes Only, and it's gonna require you to enter your passcode. And now what you wanna do is to tap on Options at the bottom right, and then let's tap on Change Passcode. So first, let's enter our current passcode, and then now we can create a new passcode. We'll confirm it, and then let's tap on I understand, and then tap on continue. And that is how you change your Snapchat My Eyes Only passcode. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.